Hello friends, Dr. Hans here, and today is day 8 of 262 days of Bitcoin. And guess what? Today is a very special day. You all, let's toast to the SEC approval of a Spot Bitcoin ETF. Today is historic. When I was thinking about whether or not to commit 262 days this year to teach, educate, share information about Bitcoin, it was mainly because of this decision, which was incoming by the SEC. So for those who don't understand how monumental and historic this day is, I just wanted to take a moment to share with you. Today's approval of a Spot Bitcoin ETF means that anyone, anywhere in the world with access to a brokerage app that can buy stocks or investment funds, or even individuals with retirement accounts, anyone and everyone can now get access to buy Bitcoin through that brokerage app. So in essence, Bitcoin is now available on the stock market. That is a huge deal. Most individuals have ignored Bitcoin because it seems like this fringe asset. This thing that some people are buying, we don't know what it is. Is it a currency? Is it a commodity? Is it an investment? Is it a property? Is it an asset? Is it a stock? Is it an investment? What is it? You all, for the very first time, the US government has approved Bitcoin to trade just like any other stock. This is going to bring mainstream adoption, unlike you've ever seen before. I remember in 2017, when I made the decision to begin to teach about this asset. I had heard about it in 2016, but I ignored it. And in 2017, when I made that decision, after learning about it, that I was going to take a leap of faith to begin to teach my community about this asset, because often we miss out on opportunities to build wealth. We come in last. Think about it. The number one asset that many people talk about in our community as immigrants, minorities, is real estate. I'm not saying real estate is bad, but I'm just trying to tell you, if you're looking for where the future is going, as it relates to opportunities to build wealth, not only for yourself, but for your family, for generations to come, you have to pay particular attention to what's to come. Digital assets. And Bitcoin is at the forefront of that revolution. Now, Wall Street is going to be coming into this space to get access to this asset. Are you still going to be sitting on the sidelines? Well, I hope not. As someone who has been investing in Bitcoin consistently, continuously, through the ups and downs since 2017, here's a toast to the approval of the Bitcoin Spot ETF. As always, what I've shared with you today is for informational purposes and not advice. But what a time to be alive. You all, Bitcoin forever.